Comes the train. So he was approaching, and then he shut it down. Because when I was recording them before, it has nothing to do with the train movement. It has to do with them projecting some kind of sound. So I started recording and said, look at that, and they shut it off. And now their excuse is that the train decelerates right there for the safety of the children coming upon such a scary spot. You know that there was an accident there a few years ago? It's best that everyone's safe. We slow down now, starting 2 days ago.